literally going to be filming a video every day. So you're gonna see my face every day. Wow. Wow. Hey you guys, it's your girl Kayla B. You know me, I'm coming at you with another video. Yes, another video, and we have my Boxycharm Premium. Ugh. Base box, as you know, was a miss, not a hit. It was not that bad, but it just wasn't my fave. I've seen spoilers in Boxycharm Premium that I'm just like, I hope I get, but I've seen some people not get what they want. If you don't know what Boxycharm Premium is, it's a Big Daddy version of the Boxycharm base box, which retails for $35. You get 6 to 7 full-size items, and it's over $175 value worth. Anyways, let's open this box. As you read from the title, this is also a try-on, so hopefully I will get the palette. If not, then it is what it is. There are variations, 3 different palettes. There's a Smashbox palette, a Pure palette, Pure times Barbie, and there's the Lunar Beauty Life's a Drag palette. The thing is Festival Vibes, the theme for this month. And I kind of want the Smashbox palette. But if I don't get the Smashbox palette, I did choose for next month that little Smashbox trio like eye thing. So I could test out Smashbox formula that way. But I do know one of the items in this box, but I don't know what color because it was 3 variations. Every single month you get to choose an item in Boxycharm. I didn't say that already. And I have seen like deeper complexions get the pinker version of that blush. So, but you know, let's just find out. So you get a little coupon for a makeup eraser. Didn't get it in the box, the base box, because that's where it's at. Also, I told you Festival Vibes. Variation 35 is my variation. Also, you get a code for misguided. I cannot wear misguided stuff, so it doesn't apply to me. Also, you get some spoilers for Boxy Pop-Up and also the Luxe box, which I will not be getting. That's $50 every 3 months, and it's just not worth my money. Also, you get a description of everything that's in the box and the prices. So the first item is Opulent Beauty brush set. I kind of didn't want this. I kind of wanted to try the hairspray, but I understand my original hair is, you know, not caring and treated, blah, blah, blah. But it kind of was sounding good. But I'm happy to get brushes. You know me, I love brushes. This brush set retails for $40. You get a powder brush, a tapered brush, and a flat top brush, which is like for foundation. They're heavy, but also lightweight. This is the powder brush. Did I tell you that it retails for $40? It retails for $40. They said, like a lot of people I saw unboxings, they said that this is like cheap. There we go. If you could see it, you could see some glue coming out of it. That's why they said it's cheap. But I do like the look of it. I'll be using this. The next item is the Lavido Age Away Replenishing Cream. This is mostly for dry skin and aged skin. I am going to give this to my mother. I will not be using it, so I will not do this at my overall total. I mean, on the overall total of the box, I will be putting this in, but not for my total that I will be using. So I will not be using this. But I will tell you her thoughts and everything after she tries this out. This retails for $69 if I didn't say that already. The next thing is Wander Beauty Mile High Club Mascara. This retails for $26. And I already know my thoughts on this because I got this in Allure before. And it is a lengthening mascara and volume, but it doesn't give volume to my lashes. It just gives lengthen. And it's a okay mascara. It's not worth the $26 in my opinion. But that's my opinion. It's not the best, but it's not the worst. And it's a wet type of formula, so it's like, you gotta be careful with it. Yeah! Okay, we got the Becca Luminous blush. This is the item that I chose. I got it in the shade Delilah, which is that burgundy shade that I kind of wanted. So, I mean, I did want it like Tiger Lily. That's like that orangey shade. But I'm happy about this because, you know, it's Becca. Oh yeah, this retails for $34. I probably am repeating myself, but $34. almost as much as the box. Box 35. This is what the packaging looks like, and then there's the blush. So I have my Becca overall face palette, eyes, cheek palette. Anyways, their holiday collection, and they're not the same. So if you have that palette, they're not the same. This is the luminous blush right here. You can see the luminosity, and then this is Berry, the blush that's inside of the palette. You can see how deeper it is from the luminous blush Delilah. Can't wait. I am so sorry for your ears. Like, I just squealed. This is something I didn't want. This is the Juice Beauty Pigment. It retails for $24. And yeah, I kind of wanted the Too Faced lip gloss because I didn't want to buy it because I'm not buying from Too Faced at this moment. I'm probably not going to buy for Too Faced ever again. Even though they make like one of my favorite mascaras and my favorite primer. But it is what it is. This is the shade. The shade is, this is their liquid lip, and the shade Cameron. Yeah, Cameron. It looks pink on camera, but it's actually like a reddish vibrant pink. So this is its swatch right here, and then this is it mixed in with my PMS Fenty lipstick, so you can tone it down. I really do like it mixed. It's more of a gloss than a liquid lip. I like it so far. Also, it's cruelty-free, vegan, and without like a lot of stuff. Like parabens, gluten, talc, GMS, PEGs, artificial dyes, synthetic fragrances. It's like just a lot of stuff. By the way, that retailed for $24. I'm just grinning because I got what I wanted. This is the best box. Like, oh my gosh. Okay, they redeemed themselves with the premium. Boxycharm, you redeemed yourself. We got the Smashbox L.A. Cover Shot Eye Palette. I mean, technically, I couldn't have used the bronzer, and I didn't want another eye cream. So the Smashbox palette, the little mini, was the only choice. If I like the formula of this palette, I am definitely going to be keeping the other one. Duh. Ooh, I like the packaging. Oh my gosh. Okay, here's the packaging. Also, it has an eyeliner inside, so I get to try out their like gel eyeliner formula too. This is what it looks like outside of the packaging. Like, look at that. This baby retails for $45 anyways. So this and the blush. Again, sorry for your ears. I just squealed. So this is what the palette looks like with the eyeliner inside. I'm trying to hold it up so the eyeliner doesn't fall out. So here is what the shades look like. So the overall value of this box was $238. $238. But without the mascara, the cream, and the Juice Beauty Lippy, because that's just something I would have never bought. It's $119. But I still got my money's worth with the palette and the blush, so I'm excited. If you want to stay, I will be doing a try on of the palette swatches and also blush. So stay tuned. If not, then thank you for watching, and hit that subscribe button at the end, or hit that subscribe button down below, and go check out my other videos. I will also link some in the cards. Okay, let go. Okay, I'm back with swatches. We have Venus Beach, we have West Cider, Best Coast, and Sunset right here. This is the first four. Then right here we have, there's Valet. Oh, there's Valet, Drop Top, Almond, and Vanilla. Those two shades kind of look similar on my skin, but it's okay. Those are brow bones for me. Okay, and then we have Nectar. Ooh. Oh, we have Rose Baller. Then we have Canon Copper. Then we have Java. Yep, Canon Copper and then Java. So Nectar is that shade. Then Rose Baller is that shade. Canon Copper is that shade. And then Java is that shade. Okay, now for the last one, we have this like grayish white. This is Hang. Then we have Platinum. Then we have East Cider. And then here is another like whitish shade, but a shimmery. This is Deco. First on the try, we're gonna try the Becca blush and the powder brush. I already have stuff on the brush, not blush. Wow, I do have blush on the brush. First impressions. Ooh, I like it. And I like this brush too. It's blending and putting on the product beautifully. Now I'm taking the highlighter brush and dipping into that pink cream shade for a highlight. I really do like these blushes and this blush and these brushes. The blush, you can sheer it out and I really do like it. It comes off strong, so don't put a lot, but it blends perfectly, especially with this brush. I like it so far. So far, Boxycharm, well, you already had it anyways, like premium, you got it. For eyes, because of my lips, I'm taking a simple eye look, probably just these 3 shades. Mix a little bit of that shade down there, Venus Peach on top, like do a gradient effect. Yeah. Okay, I'm taking Almond into the brow bone and into the crease. I'm just buffing out, that's like my brow bone shade. I'm so sorry for this long video. It is a try on video, unboxing and try on, so it's going to be longer than usual. Sorry, I like to talk a lot. Wow, I didn't really even need to blend anymore. Wow. Then I'm going to take a Java on the outer corner and into the crease. These shades are very pigmented. They're like powdery and creamy when I swatched it. They blend very easily. Like, I like this formula already. Okay, Smashbox, you have me. You have me. Like, you had me at hello. Anyways, I'm taking this shade right here, the deepest mauve, and I'm just going in the outer corner. And what I like is that it's not gonna fall out with this palette. Like, I think I'm gonna be a Smashbox-aholic. Like, I was already in the beginning of my makeup journey, but now. By the way, that was Copper Cannon, and now I'm taking Rose Baller into the middle of the eye. Oh, I like it, I like it, I like it, I like it. Okay, I just went in with Java in the lower lash line. I took that all away, and I'm going in with Venus Peach in the inner corners. Oh my gosh, like, oh, I love this. I actually kind of want to wing with this look, so I'm not going to be testing out the eyeliner today, but it will be in my monthly reviews, so go check that out at the end of the month. This is what the palette looks like after one-time use, and all the swatches. It still looks like almost brand new. I like it. That's it for the video. I hope you guys liked it. This is the final look. I am just so excited and so happy with my Boxycharm Premium box this month. I hope you guys have a great day. Like I said before, you know, stay safe, stay healthy, stay inside. If you have to, like, go outside, then, you know, wear a mask. You know, that protecting stuff. Anyways, I'm just so happy with how the look came out. Almost forgot mascara. Anyways, happy how the look came out. Like my box, love my box actually. Anyways, have a great day, have a great night. Whenever you're watching this, you probably already saw my head pop up on either side at my videos. Go check them out.